Next car on the lift, this is 2010 SLK Mercedes. We got the car as pretty much already stripped. The car was involved in some kind of fire on the interior. You can see over there on the pillar and also on this pillar here too. Plus the steering wheel has a little bit of damage as well. Most panels are pretty straight. Can't really see any major signs of damage on any of the panels. It's all just, yeah, major interior fire. Engine was already on a pallet when we got it. So we do still have that in stock. A couple of things like the ABS pump, brake booster, kind of thing. Not really much to say about this car. It is a stat write-off, so that's why it's come to us. Sad to see it be pulled apart, but if you are looking for any parts for a 2010 SLK, please visit our website for any parts that you're after, or give our team a call on 03 5943 9100. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.